Okay, on this problem, we see that we have an existing solution with its volume and molarity, and we're wanting to add water to get a new concentration. So we are diluting a solution. When you see that you are diluting a solution, you should think of the equation. We have an equation for that. Where M1 and V1 are the molarity and volume before you add the water, and the M2 and V2 are the molarity and volume after you add the water. So that's like a total volume, V2. So we can plug into that. When we do this, the units for volume can be anything as long as they match. And the units for molarity, well, we have both molarity, but we could use other concentration units there if we wanted. So let's just plug in. We need to make sure we have that this is V1 and this is M1, and we can see that we're going to this is our M2 that we desire. So we're just going to plug in. And then solve for V2. Okay, so you might think we're done, but the thing is that the question asked for how much water do we add. It didn't ask what the final volume would be. In other words, the final volume, V2, is going to be equal to the original volume, V1, plus the volume of water added. And the problem asked for how much water was added. So you can see that we're just going to say basically V2 minus V1 to get the water added. That's the total after mixing. Let's watch our sig figs here. And there we go, 3.4 liters of water that were added.